Per Inside EVs, Starbucks and Mercedes-Benz are teaming up to enhance electric vehicle charging convenience. Mercedes-Benz High-Power Charging will install DC fast chargers at over 100 Starbucks locations nationwide. The first phase will feature 400 kilowatt chargers along I-5, from Canada to Mexico. This collaboration aims to address public charging issues, making it more accessible and user-friendly. Andrew Cornelia, CEO of Mercedes-Benz High-Power Charging, emphasized the importance of this partnership. Starbucks initially announced charging plans in 2022. Other brands like 7-Eleven and Love's are also entering the EV charging market. Mercedes-Benz is investing $1 billion in charging infrastructure, with a dozen stations already in the South. Additionally, Mercedes-Benz joined BMW, General Motors, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, Toyota, and Stellantis to form the EV charging supergroup, Ionna. This joint venture aims to open its first stations this year, focusing on high-end charging experiences. You are listening to Ionna News.